Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here is all the stuff that I use to clean and detail my truck. I got my lubricants there, all my cleaning supplies, my empty gas canisters whenever I need to carry gas somewhere. Right there is a type of LED light I have on my truck. I bought 2 sets. But anyway, guys, today I'm going to show you how to check your fluids in your vehicle. Hey, Simba. This is I have a 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. And these older vehicles, you should do this every time before you drive your vehicle. I've seen a lot of people that are getting into their cars and their oil is low and it's causing their engine. You can hear it whenever your oil is low, it's going to click. But a lot of people don't do that. A little helpful tip to know whenever you're working on cars. I'm going to set my camera down here so I can raise my hood. That is my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. Alright, guys. What you want to do before you get in your truck or your car is check your oil, check your transmission fluid, check your power steering, check your brake fluid, check your antifreeze. It's important. Also, check your tires. People are not doing this. Your car needs to run on oil. If your oil is low in your truck or your car, this will tell you. Your engine oil dipstick will tell you. If your transmission is low, your transmission dipstick will tell you. When you need to put oil in your truck or your car, this is what your oil fill looks like. If your brakes are soft, your brake fluid goes in here. This is the front, this is the rear. Your washer fluid is here. People, your cars they're not maintenance free. They're never maintenance free. This truck has got, I'll show you the inside of it here. Sorry, the wind. This truck has got over 265,000 miles. I'll read you the whole mileage. 265,738, excuse me. If you need oil, it'll show you right there on your oil gauge. Here's your vehicle temperature, your battery, your fuel level. A lot of people don't realize that if you want to keep your car running, you have to keep the maintenance up. Hey, Simba. And by the way, look who jumped up in the truck with me. Didn't you, bud? Didn't you? Also, what I do is before I start this truck and leave and get on the road, I'll start it and let it run to build up the oil pressure. To let the oil temperature heat up. To let the motor get up to operating temperature. There's nothing wrong with that. A lot of people do it. That's part of being a car enthusiast. Up. Simba. Look at that cat. Simba. Hey. Simba. I guess he's cold. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Come here. You little stinker, you. Come here. Want to say hello to YouTube? Come here. Atta boy, come on. Come on. Come on. You little silly thing. You silly thing. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video, and I'll make another one for you when I get home today. I'll catch you on the next one.